Hello everyone and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we will do the unboxing and the quick setup of Sony Bravia 55-inch XH18 series TV, which is made in Malaysia, and Malaysia is so important because after made in Japan series, Malaysia is another country that came by quality on the second place. This is the TV itself. As you can see, it's a 55-inch, 138.8 centimeters. And manufacturer Sony Corporation. And the other things is saying about the Sony representatives. And what we have is here is, let's see, other things, and then we will go on and open the TV. And as you can see, it says made in Malaysia, and this is the series 55XH8096. So let's move forward and open the package. This is how it should be done. We need to lose these 4 white things and then remove the package from the TV. Okay, let's get started. And here in the upper part we have other things included here. This is, I don't know what this is. I think this is maybe for assembling the fits of the TV, so it can be put it on the stand. These are the fits, and here is another one, and here is the remote control, setup guide, and batteries and the other things that need to be fully set up the TV. So we will remove these 4 white holders. It's very easy. You just push and then pull and it came out. So we will do the same from the other side. Here is the same. There is this thing, it's coming out, and the 4th one. Okay, after we will remove these ones, we can just pop up the carton box and then TV will come out. Let me do it fast and then come back. So let's have a close look before we will turn on TV. So this series backside is made of the plastic. This is not a metal. This TV has 4 HDMI inputs, 1 LAN input, 1 for regular DVB-T2 channels, and another one is for the satellite. You can put directly satellite receiver this TV has included. And then there is 2 USB ports, 1 optical out for the connecting. As you can see, the optical out light came red. And there is 2 USB, 1 USB 3 and 1 regular USB 2.0 port. HDMIs are not 2.1. They are, one of them has the ARC. As you can see, this port has ARC, which is good, but this one is not. Don't have the 2.1 HDMI. So the panel is, as you can see, these parts are also plastic. This is not a metal. That's why this series is not that much expensive. This costs something $1,000 here, and it's 800 something in US. And this is an Android 9 TV, and it has a Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz as well. So let's set up the remote control and come back to see how TV performs. So here we already set up the TV. As you can see, it started. Let's see if there is a English United States, but I think yes. We choose English United States. Quickly set up. Skip, I don't have Android phone. Select Wi-Fi. Let's connect. Let me type the password real quick. Okay. Connecting. Connected successfully. And then let's see if there is any update on this TV. Make your most of your TV. Let's skip for now. Accept. No. No. Your Bravia 4K is powered by Android. Let's walk through the feature of your device. Get apps from Google Play and cast your TV. This is Bravia's introduction. Start your Bravia experience. Select your country. In my case, there is no Armenia. I will select Russia. Policy. SONY TV services. Program recommendations. Okay. Proceed. Interactive application privacy notice on broadcast may have interactive applications. Agree. And then parental lock. Okay, your PIN has been set. Remote start on the smartphone or tablet. Then select on the TV programs must playback cast. Okay, we don't need that. Select the ways you receive channels, cable, satellite box, digital. Okay. Next. Scanning channels. So it's scanning to our digital DVB T2 signal. And let's see what will be found. Channels found till now is 0. So far it's found the 24 channels and it's going faster because there are no channels there, and I think 6 of them is the radio channels. Okay, scan completed. Next. And then next. Select device you would like to set up with your TV. So connect later. Then specify your TV's positions, tabletop stand. This is maybe for the sound. And then final part. Setup complete. I can tell you that this Android is running very smooth and fast. This TV is powered with the X1 CPU, but this one is not the ultimate. And this is a direct LED. As you can see, everything is very nice. I mean the front part of the blacks and all. And this is set up AirPlay and HomeKit. We will do it later. And it's entered to its Android part. Let's go to TV part and see what channels it got. Armenian public. So this is how the TV is shown. This is the not 4K not 4K picture, but this is how the TV shows all the channels. Let's move the channel and see how fast it's switching. It's doing very fast. It's very responsive compared with the other TVs. Yeah. This is the sound. This is the remote control, guys. This is updated version of the other remote control that was with the previous 2019 version TV. And so far everything is nice. TV has the Google Play, Netflix, and it has voice recognition. You can tell Google and do your searches, everything using the voice commands. This is all about the TV 55XH8096 made in Malaysia, Sony Bravia. Please leave a comment if you want to see more, and I will show you the content of 4K soon. Stay well, stay cool, guys.